Tired of cluttered emails, collecting checks, and having your group information spread throughout multiple apps? We are too. We welcome you to HeyGroup. HeyGroup supports hundreds of clubs, teams, and organizations in the pursuit of getting people together and keeping them organized. We have a very in-depth yet simple event planner that allows your group to plan any type of event or activity with ease. Customize your event using availability management, making the event recurring, setting attendance limits, or making it a paid event. Along with this, group members can RSVP to events and automatically integrate it into their calendar. And within our intuitive features, we also create side group chats for event attendees automatically. We also provide a group expense system that gives our users an easy way to track group payments. You can also communicate in the same place within your group chat, send polls, GIFs, and everything else to make sure everyone's on the same page and having fun. We also generate reports to help you keep track of which events people have gone to. And along with these features, there are several others within HeyGroup that help your group get organized and get the most out of each other. It's time to get everything you need all in one place. Download the app today for free. And remember, don't just be any group, be a HeyGroup.